All right, I think the easiest way to show you how to upload some files is to do this little video. Okay, so you open your drive, you go to New, and then you're going to go to File Upload, and then you're going to find whatever it is that you want to upload. So let's say I'll do my rubric. And if you have a specific folder, if you have folders and you want to save it, if you open that folder, it's like whatever's open on your screen. So if I wanted to save it in my nature myths unit, then you would just open that. So it'll be somewhere down here. Oh, good gravy. Okay, down here. Um, you can sort by time or date if you want to. All right, so then you don't even have to open it up. You can if you want to, but you right click on it and then I think it's get shareable link. Let me check. Okay, and it'll tell you that you don't have it sharing by link, so you can click on, and then right now it's saying anyone for Forsyth School District, and that's fine because they're going to be viewing it. So then you would go into your PL, and let's say that I want it, and then you paste it on there. So then when they click on this, that's going to be your Nearpod. Okay, and if you wanted to get really fancy, now if you're overwhelmed, do not do this, but you can type Nearpod 1, highlight it, go to Insert Link, and now you have a hyperlink with the title. Both are totally fine, but I just wanted to show you a little something extra. Let me know if I can help or if that doesn't answer your question.